Assalamualaikum and hi. Today our group want to explain about trigonometry. Sine, cosine and tangent are the main functions used in trigonometry and are based on a right angle triangle. Opposite is the side opposite the angle. Adjacent is the side next to the angle. Hypotenuse is the longest side of a right angle triangle. Sin is equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse. Cos is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Tan is equal to opposite divided by adjacent. Alright, now we also told that the cliff is 60 meters tall. So I label that there and this label distance XX. Total degrees is 90 degrees. 90 minus 12 equal to 78 degrees. So this angle 78 degrees. Tan of 12 degrees is equal 60 divided by x. X equal to 60 divided by tan 12 degrees. So the answer is 282 meters.
We explain about trigonometry quadrant. The quadrant refer to axis x and axis y, which has 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, and 270 degree. Quadrant 1 include to all fundamental of trigonometry, which is sin, cos, and tan. Next, quadrant 2 is only for sin, quadrant 3 for tan, and the last quadrant 4 is for cos. Theta refer to real angle, while beta is refer to reference angle. Quadrant 1 is theta equal to beta. Next, quadrant 2 is 180 minus beta. Next, quadrant 3 is 180 plus beta, and the last one is quadrant 4, which is 360 minus beta. For example, beta is 20 degree. Quadrant 1 will be 20 degree because theta is equal to beta. Next, quadrant 2 is 180 minus 20 equals to 160. Quadrant 3 is 180 plus 20 that will equals to 200. Lastly, for quadrant 4, which is theta equals to 360 degree minus 20 degree equal to 240 degree. I have one question that tan beta equals to 0.765. We only want beta, so we need to move the tan beside the 0.765. That tan will be tan the power of -1. Tan positive only at quadrant 1 and quadrant 3. First, draw the axis x and axis y. Then draw a dividing line in the middle of the axis. Focus on the quadrant that contains tan only. For quadrant 1, the angle is 36.86 degree, while for beta, we can find it by subtracting 180 degrees with the degree answer in quadrant 1. It will equals to 260.86 degree. Therefore, we can find the theta is 36.86 degree and 260.86 degree.
Going to explain about trigonometry equation and identities. Trigonometry basic identities formula are sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta, and cot square theta plus 1 equal to cosec square theta. For double angle formula, sin 2a equal to sin a cos a. Cos 2a equal to cos square a minus sin square a. Cos 2a also equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a. Cos 2a equal to cos square a minus 1 2. Last but not least, tan 2a equal to tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a. The question is 1 minus tan square a divided by 1 plus tan square a. First, the solution is 1 minus sin square a divided by cos square a, and divide 1 plus sin square a divided by cos square a. Next, equal to cos square a minus sin square a divided by cos square a, and you have to divide it again. Cos square a minus sin square a, and cos square a. For this part, you have to cut this area and this area, and also you have to cut for this area. And the answer for this question is cos square a minus sin square a. That's the answer.
The use of sine rule and the cosine rule are the solutions of triangle for cases where the triangle is not right angle. The first one is sine rule. How to find length and angle? We can use the sine rule. A divided by sine A equal to B divided sine B equal to C divided by sine C. When to use this rule? First case is when you get two angle and one side. Case 2 is two side and one non-equal angle, not an angle between the two given sides are given. Next is cosine rule. The rule to find length is a square equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a. And to find angle, you can use cos a equal to b square plus c square minus a square divided by 2bc. When to use the rules? The first case is when you get two sides and an included angle. Or case 4, only the three sides are given. So the first step is we need to draw a line from S to the 3. And the distance from P to the 3 is 55 meters. And also we need to draw a line from S to the Q. the distance from 3 to the Q is 50 meter. Okay, so the first one is we need to find SQ. SQ is equal to 65 square plus 75 square, and then we square root, and then we get the answer is 99.2472 meter. We already get our SQ, so we can use the cosine rule. So 99.2472 square equal to 85 square plus 105 square minus 2 multiply 85 multiply 105 cos SP Q angle. Cos SPQ angle equal to 85 square plus 105 square minus 99.2472 square divided by 2 multiply 85 multiply 105. So we get the answer for the SPF angle equal to 61.93 degree. So the next step is we need to find the ST distance. So use the cosine rule. ST square equal to 55 square plus 85 square minus 2 multiply 55 multiply 85 cos 61.93 degree. So the answer is for ST is the answer is for ST square is 50.3581, and we need to square root the answer to get the ST is 76.488 meter.